All right, so I feel like it could do better. So what we have is some lubricant that I'm going to share with you, see if we can make it better. So I'm going to go ahead and raise it real quick. All right, so this is from 3-in-1. This is garage door lube. Take a look at it right here. Very similar to other types of lubricants that you've seen before. Also has this red little straw that helps you really pinpoint where you want to go. So all you need to do for this is specifically made for your garage door. So we're going to spray some along these wheels here, along the inner tracks. So I mean, the garage door is basically metal wheels, so it's metal on metal. So I mean, obviously you want this metal on metal to be well lubricated, right? You're gonna spend a little time lubricating both sides. So this is one side. I'm gonna go over here to the other side, take care of this side. So now I'm on the other side here. Gonna spray this. So if you've never had a garage door, you definitely want to get some of this to keep your garage door lubricated from time to time. You don't have to do it all the time, but if you notice that it's kind of clanky and coming up real slow and not real smooth, this stuff will lube up those metal wheels on the garage door and really do a nice job for it. Let's go ahead and close it, see if we got some improvement. Now it's a very old garage door. It still is making some noise. What I have seen some people do is actually take the lube and spray in these joints right here where the hinges, where the panels meet. So you could also do that a little bit. And we'll go over here, spray some over here. So again, this is metal on metal, that metal on metal clanging. Let's go ahead and try it one more time. Open it up. All right, it's hard to tell because it is older and kind of loud, but I do feel like we did make some improvement there. So if you're having problems with your garage door, instead of calling someone to come take a look at it, maybe this is all you need, some garage door lube, 3-in-1 garage door lube. This is what I use, and maybe this will help you at your house.